Bro, welcome to back my live. Okay, so today this video will be sharing my setup overall. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Yeah, I'm on the chart now. We can see the market. So we supposed to follow the trend, whatever what where it's going. Okay, just follow the trend and making money. And there are three type of trends. Like one is called major trend. Okay, major trends like on 15-minute time frame on 100 and 200 EMA is called major trend. Okay, 100-minute time frame and is the 100 15-minute time frame and it is the 100 and 200 EMA. It's called major trend. Okay, and mid trend, 15-minute time frame and 20 and 10 EMA is called mid trend. Okay, and it also called mid trend when like 1 minute time frame and 100 and 200 EMA crossover. Okay, it's also a mid trend. Okay, it's also a mid trend, like there to there is a mid trend by. Okay, and then talk about the what is the thing, talk about the like small chain. Small chain means 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, and this 10 and 20 EMA. Okay, this is the our small chain. So I give the example of three type of trend, like major, mid, and minor trend. Okay, so if we change the direction of major trend, we can get more profit. Okay, 1 is to 30, 1 is to 20, 1 is to 10. Yeah, we can like getting this type of uh, profit or money from the major trend following. Okay, for mid trend, we just follow the current trend. Okay, if we in the mid trend, if the seller but we buy, then we can losing money. Okay, that's why we don't need to buy when mid-chain is downtrend. Okay, we just if we buy there, we get also loss. Okay, if we sell there, we make profit. So this is the mid-term thing. The mid-term also means the 1 minute time frame, 100 and 200 EMA. Okay, that's the simple thing. Yeah, they are to buyers only buy, they are to sell some. Okay, now I'm talking about the rules, major, mid, and minor change. Okay, so when market is like major trend is bearish like that. Okay, like there to there is market is so bearish. Okay, when we open chat for sale, we can hold it like 1 is to 20, 1 is to 15, 1 is to like infinity. Okay, and when we buy, okay, when we buy we just looking for 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2. Okay, this is the thing. If we follow the major trend, we can hold the trend for a long time. That's why we just need to follow the major trend. Then for mid trend, we just uh, focus on like which market to trade to. Okay, if the market is major trend is bearish, the market is bullish now, so we don't need to trade there. We trade when the market will be the bullish again. So this time we will go for buy. Okay, this is mid trend. Always follow the minor trend. Okay, let me see you the thing. If the mid trend is bullish but minor trend is buy there. Okay, when minor trend also the bullish, then you can buy there like this. You can buy there, make profit. You can buy there, make profit. you can buy there and make also profit. Okay, that is the thing. So my opinion is that, and the fact is that you just follow the major trends to making big profit. Okay, this is the thing, and the thing is you should avoid trading while the ADX level is downtrend because it's make the market ranging. You can see that, like where markets goes downtrend, the market making ranging. Another example is there, like when it goes down, it's make ranging. There is a perfect example, like when market in downtrend in the ADX, the real market goes to mm, ranging. Okay, is the fact when is they break the level and bomb theory they work like you buy there make 1 to 3 something like that. Yeah. So the more uh, important thing is we must follow the current trend. Okay, not obsessed with the major trend. We just need to what the heck happened, we just need to follow the current trend. Current trend means, okay, current tense means um, 1 minute time frame and 10 and 15 minutes like minor trend. Current tense means minor trend. We don't get against of minor trend either. We got loss. Okay, and for safety or for best trade, we add like major trend, then mid trend, then minor trend, major and mid trend, especially. Okay, this thing, and you should not trade on those type of market. Yeah, the example. Okay, this is the thing, and the thing is, we just risk 1% of our capital for part trade. Okay, we just need to risk. If we risk 10%, we able to trade like 10 trade. If we risk 5%, we just able to trade 20 trade. But if we use 1%, we able to trade like 100 trades. So it's better to use uh, 1% rather than 10% or 5% for a one trade. Trading is like probability game. There is no surety that you will be win in this trade. Okay, so if I trade on there, like, definitely I will win because it's uptrend, mid trend is also up, and minor trend is also up, so I can just make the money. Okay, so the thing is we don't need to, okay, before entry in trade we need to uh, take our stop loss and the take profit, and for not sure for take profit but sure for stop loss, like same stop loss for part trade, then your psychology will be fine. Either you gonna rush for it. Okay, like I have an experience about that. Whenever I take like 50 chaka part trade and like same loss part trade, I mm, get money. Okay, either I just lost a little bit. Okay, and when I just take randomly trading and uh randomly uh high risk. Okay, one trade I risk around 100, another is like I risk around 150. That's time I lost a lot of money, and even though I blow my account by doing this, so it gets very frustrating. So this is the main thing. We need to same stop loss per trade. This is the main thing. And if we lose 1%, if we lose like 10 trades in a row, we just lose 10%. Either if we lose like 2%, we lose 20%. Either 3% risk means 30%. So we need to risk 1% per trade. This is the main thing. So that's the thing. Yeah, I give the example of my trading setup. What the thing. And it's work for every kind of market. Like if we go to Euro USD, it works better, man. You can see that. If we go to 50-minute time frame, oh my goodness, it's like holy shit. Like it's a major change is down trend, okay? Like let me draw it first. This is a down trend, okay? Major trend is down trend. If we check there, we can make a huge profit, okay? Like there is not a liquidity level over there. We can just need to out over there. So it's a huge in 1 month time frame. You can see the buyer movement, but you don't need to trade over there. You just need to trade in this market. Okay, let me show you more clearly. Yeah, like 1 is to 10, 1 is to 20, man. You don't need to trade on this. Okay, when it's like buyers come, you don't need to trade like it's gonna ranging or it's a cheap market, but you need to trade on this when it's like downtrend in major. Yeah, man, you can see this. Wow, so many freaking bullshit. Okay, so there is another thing like, oh my goodness, and see this, the movement. And when it's like, okay, another thing. What is the point, man? I think something got wrong about that. What happened to this audience? I don't know. Oh, there is a line. Goodness. Okay, when the market is like below the 20 level, okay, you don't need to trade. Okay, when the market is like downtrend on ADX, you can see there is like randomly freaking bullshit. And when it's like below the 20 level, let me draw a level over there. So I drew a level. When market goes to below this, the market become ranging. You can see this. Okay, when it's like in up and breakdown, then it's got a trend here. Okay, so there you can see the example. Okay, fasting first. Okay, you can see the downtrend over there. There to there is a downtrend, and there is a fucking ranging market. That's why you don't need to check there when it's like downtrend. When like it's uptrend, then you can trade for buys. But I suggest you don't need to trade on buy. Just trade on there when it's like sellers come. Always follow the major trend. Then you can get big profit like 1 is to 20, 1 is to 50, like that. And if you against trade on the major trend you're gonna get 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. Okay, this type of thing. I hope I get you understand what I mean by that. Okay. That is the thing. And let me see the another example of it. Like there to there is like crazy uptrend. Okay, not crazy like uptrend. It was major uptrend. It's called major uptrend, not crazy uptrend. Okay, let me check it. Where is the major uptrend? There is it. You can see when like market uptrend, you can get a big move. One is to like it's something like 1:20. Okay, market also like fall. You can see it. Market falls, then goes up, goes up, goes up. Again, market falls. So let me check it again. Oh, okay, there the thing happened. Like there to there market is a big fall. That's why in 1 minute time frame we see a big downtrend. This is a downtrend in 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it's a mid trend and it's a downtrend. Okay, what is the thing? Oh, okay. The thing is like we can sell there with small lot or small, like if we check for buy we just use zero point 0.2, and if we use for sell you just use zero point 0.1 lot, like half of the lot size of this, because it's against of majority and that's why. Yeah, that's it. This is my all setup and strategy. I hope guys you understand. Either you can check it again and understand it. We just need to check on the uptrend markets. Okay, let me clear it more. Yeah, when EMA on the euro black cross, we just start trading and there we just stop trading over there and stop trading on this time when it's like downtrend or video the EMA. Okay, we just trade on there like this. We just stop there when it's go down across over and start trading over there. Yeah, it's like give me take the measurement. Like for example, there to there like 4 hours. It can be good live session. Okay, 4 hours. Okay, oh, what the heck? For 2 days. Oh, okay. Let me check it. Like there to there, like 6 hours. 6 hours is not good for trading. Like 3 to 4 hours is good for trading. Okay, so we just use 5 minutes to get a good market to trade. That's enough for there. It works for every market. We just need three things. Check three things like major trend, mid trend, and minor trend. And we always follow the minor trend for scalping and mid for getting a good market, and major trend to get a big profit. That's it.